Some of the biggest challenges we see for the CFO, preventing them from doing their job, is visibility. When we think about construction accounting, we think about the intricacies of it, it's very detailed. And if we don't record our costs against our road budget, and if we're not managing the contracts and the budgets and changes, essentially we lose what that visibility is, and we have no idea if we're profitable or unprofitable until the end of the project. So given that IES has a native AI component to it, we can have insights on the budget, we could have insights to the actuals versus the budget, where are we at relative to billings, gross profit on that particular project. So instead of having to extract data, drop it in Excel, pivot it, and do all these sort of formulas, now I have the ability to ask IES the question about the relative project and its performance.